Alright, so today we got the Redline Tuning hood quick lift system installed on the car. Got the hood prop out. Pretty slick. Got to make one change on the battery compartment, or the cover. You got to take the included multi-step drill bit and cut that out. It's got a little tool, little template that you use to find the center punch. And then the rest of the stuff just brackets on to the existing bolts. The bottom hood anchors have a subplate that goes underneath the top of the fender, underneath the top of the fender, cinches it down. And the bracket's right there. Sorry about the lighting. Anyway, got them bad boys in. Car is 9 days old. See ya.